Welcome. In this video, we will explore the fundamental rules of probability. We'll focus on understanding why probability values are always between 0 and 1, and what it means for the probability of the entire set of outcomes to be 1. So, what is probability? Simply put, it's a way to measure how likely an event is to happen. An event is just a specific outcome or a collection of outcomes from an experiment, like flipping a coin and getting heads. Probability gives us a number to represent that chance. Probabilities are measured on a scale from 0 to 1. A probability of 0 means the event is impossible. As the number increases, the event becomes more likely. A probability of 1/2 represents an even chance, and a probability of 1 means the event is absolutely certain to happen. This brings us to our first major rule. The probability of any event, which we can call E, must be a number greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. This means a probability can never be a negative number, and it can never be greater than 1. Let's look at what a probability of 0 means. It signifies an impossible event. Consider a standard 6-sided die. The possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. The probability of rolling a 7 is 0, because it simply cannot happen. On the other end of the scale is a probability of 1, which represents a certain event. This is something that is guaranteed to happen. For instance, we are certain that the sun will rise in the east tomorrow. So, the probability of that event is 1. Now, let's introduce a key concept called the sample space, usually written as S. The sample space is the complete set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. For a coin toss, the sample space is heads and tails. For a 6-sided die, it's the numbers 1 through 6. Our second rule involves the sample space. The probability of the sample space, written as P of S, is equal to 1. This makes sense because it's a certainty that one of the possible outcomes will occur. When you roll a die, you are guaranteed to get one of the numbers from 1 to 6. Let's put these ideas together using a spinner. The chance of landing on any single color is a value between 0 and 1. The chance of landing on a color that isn't there, like black, is 0. And finally, the probability of landing on any of the available colors is 1, because that is the complete set of outcomes. To sum up, remember these key points. Probability is always a number from 0 to 1. A probability of 0 means an event is impossible, while a probability of 1 means it's certain. Finally, the probability of the entire sample space, or any possible outcome occurring, is always 1.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.